We often talk about treating ourselves better and treating other people better in terms of how we take care of ourselves. But if we take the word treat, as in to treat somebody, to give somebody a treat, like trick or treat, that kind of thing, and how we give ourselves treats to reward ourselves, to make ourselves feel happy, things like that, and then say, treat yourself better. Find a better way of giving yourself treats. Then we can allow ourselves to feel good and in a healthier way. And maybe we can do some tapping around that. So taking full responsibility for your own well-being. I choose to treat myself better. And I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to treat myself better. And I choose to love and honor myself. I choose to treat myself better. When I give myself treats, I choose to do it in a more nurturing way. I choose to treat myself better. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe everyone else who might be involved. I choose to treat myself better. I choose to treat myself better. I like to give myself treats. And sometimes when I do that, it's not always healthy. So when I'm treating myself well, I'm not really treating myself well. Not because I'm bad or stupid, but because I have all this old programming about how treats are supposed to be unhealthy. When I think about treats, they often have sugar involved. It's usually something that I say I wouldn't give to myself on a regular occasion. As though it's presumed that treats will be unhealthy. There are so many wonderful things I can give to myself and do for myself. That would be real treats for myself. That are also good for my health. I'm finding more of those really good treats. Clearing the fear of depriving myself. Part of me might say, if I don't allow myself those unhealthy treats, where's the fun in life? So instead of treating myself, I feel like I'm being mean to myself. But is taking better care of my health really mean to myself? And is it really a treat to myself if it's causing me harm? And moderation in all things. I get to decide how much damage I can afford. But I choose to find more and more healthy ways of treating myself. Where I get to feel like it's a reward, and it also moves me into a healthier space. Finding treats that are a win-win. I'm doing this as an act of love for myself. This is a great way to treat myself. And I'm worthy and deserving of that. So I'm choosing to treat myself better and better. And I'm loving myself in the process. In body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. And, just play with that idea and looking at, wow, how can I give myself a treat that is actually treating my body with love and respect? And you can allow yourself to feel good about it without guilt, and know that you're taking good care of yourself and rewarding yourself at the same time. You deserve that, and it puts you in a much better state of mind to feel good about yourself, and then spread that good feeling around the world. Please and thank you. And when there's other stuff that gets in the way, I'm here for you. Thanks.